What's up, African Diaspora? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. We are here today to discuss Harlan Crow and Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. Now, I know a lot of people like Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas that are on the conservative side. Many of you like him, but there are a lot of issues that came up with his financials that he turned in. And there were a lot of secret trips, private jet trips that he did not properly disclose. And we should be asking ourselves why. A lot of the stuff that was not disclosed by Justice Clarence Thomas were trips and items that were given to him by Harlan Crow. Harlan Crow is a big time real estate developer. He does a lot here in Texas. He's actually from Texas. And he donates a lot to a lot of Republican campaigns and Republican PACs, as well as Republican causes. Okay? It's kind of weird that that is the person that Clarence Thomas forgot to disclose or refused to disclose. One of the big issues with this that I see is that one of the they didn't become friends until after he hit the bench. Okay, this wealthy real estate developer, started, asking Justice Thomas if he would need private jet trips to different locations and places, and he began supplying them. It's also been said, allegedly, that he has supplied schooling and paid for schooling for people in Thomas's family, etc. Okay, and has given a multitude of other gifts to Justice Thomas that Harlan Crow has been requested to disclose, and he has not disclosed these things to the Democratic Party or anyone else. One of the big issues, the second big issue that I see with this is that, again, he donates a lot to the Republican campaign, he and his wife, okay? People can donate what they want to donate, but here's the issue that I see. In the past 2.5 years, he's donated $4 million, he and his wife, to Texas political causes, Republicans and Republican-based PACs and issues. Before Justice Thomas gave the vote, Harlan Crow was unable to do that. There was a cap on what he could donate. All of a sudden, they brought this vote up. Judge Thomas was the deciding vote, allegedly, and he voted to allow these large donations, right? And all of a sudden, Harlow and his wife's spending went up, I think, 827%. Okay? So it is alleged that, Justice Thomas opened the door for them to be able to donate to these PACs and political campaigns and to throw more money there. And it is alleged that this is how he is being paid back for making that decision. Those are the allegations. I think that you all need to look yourselves at Harlan Crow, who he is, how he's remained out of the limelight for so long, and why he's in the limelight now. The things that he's admitted to doing, and the things that he refuses to admit to buying. Okay? Because when you see donations given to judges, especially judges that have lifetime appointments, we need to be looking and knocking on doors and asking questions. And I'm just going to sit that right there. It's very important that we know, especially when we don't have the ability to elect these judges, and these judges are appointed basically by the party, right? By the president. We need to look, because that can greatly influence someone's decision. Who's patting their pockets and with what? And if we don't allow that on the state level, we definitely should not allow it on the federal level to go on in front of our faces, and we should be asking questions. We as the people should be asking questions. Until next time, I will see you all. African diaspora, but I want y'all to pay attention to that. That's a big deal. that conservative spending that's a huge deal. It's not even a huge deal just for Democrats or Republicans. It's a huge deal, period. Have a good day.